Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Bigo Live via Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, to do this you need to tap open your Bigo Live app. Once you open it, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on the me icon, and then you can even select the setting option or profile icon on the top right hand side of the corner, and then tap on sign in with Facebook. After you do so, you will end up in this interface where it will load before it connects you with your Facebook account. So simply tap on the continue button, and after all the process is completed, you will get logged in to your Bigo account with the help of your Facebook. So you can even go and check on the me section that now your Bigo account is automatically linked with your Facebook account as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.